Hey guys, Marcus here. In this video, I want to talk about Shophunter, and I was really thinking if I'm going to, make a tutorial and put an affiliate link and then make sales, or if I'm going to be honest and authentic about what I think about it, and if you actually need tools like Shophunter or Minea or others, because plenty of YouTubers are going to recommend you those tools. And it's happening all the time is that they're going to put an affiliate link because they got lifetime commission, lifetime recurring commission, and that's really juicy and attractive. So I would rather create a tutorial on it, and I'm not going to give a lot of value, but I'm going to make money out of you. So rather than doing that, I'm going to talk about that you don't really need to use Shophunter and Minea, and what are the alternatives how you can win. So, okay, listen to this. Now, how Shophunter works and what they claim to do. Shophunter, they got their affiliate program. The site looks really great. Track top winning products. The one thing that I don't really like about Shophunter is that their data is not legit. If you have your own Shopify store, or if you know some Shopify stores and you know what kind of revenue they are getting, let me tell you that their analyzation and their data is wrong. Not only that, that's same with Minea and all the tools that are going to talk to about how much money the e-commerce store is having or generating. So that's the first thing is that, okay, if they are lying directly in the tool, I mean, maybe some of the features can be good, but you don't really need to use it. So yes, you're going to have the staff picks right here. Okay, recently added products. But my recommendation, rather than going this way and actually paying a lot of money for Shophunter, when you're going to come here and you're going to have let's say top performance here, that you don't even know from where these numbers are coming from. And when someone even asks them in YouTube comments, okay, where are they coming from? Just maybe making them up. I don't know. Maybe you're going to find value in Shophunter. I'm not going to tell that, you should never definitely use it. If you want to spend money on it, do it. But right now, I'm going to show you how we can do it in a much better way. So when you want to go to Temu.com. Okay, you're going to be in Temu. That is highly used, or Shane, whatever. And you're going to have new arrivals and bestsellers and even 5-star rated. Open. Yeah, okay, bro. Let me in. Now here you can have new arrivals. Check the new arrivals, the products with really interesting design that could catch an eye if you're going to run a Facebook ad. Let's say the diamond painting tree, right? Even this one. It looks really good. And maybe if I'm going to focus on a esoteric community, maybe with Facebook ad it will work. So I'm going to right click here and search image with Google. Now what you can do now is that here on the right side you're going to find the sites that are selling it too on AliExpress, because you can't really dropship from Temu. But what you can do is you can find the image, and on Temu you can have a lot of great pictures for products. So that's something that you can use to your own advantage. So you're going to have Temu. You're going to find it on here on AliExpress. You're going to check out the positive feedback, the reviews that are going to be good. Then what you can do is you can search for it on TikTok directly if some people make an ad on it. And that's what I personally do, is that I just try to research the Facebook ads, and then Facebook ads are completely free to analyze it, who is selling this kind of stuff. And then what I can even do is when you're going to search the image, you can open, right? You can open the companies and other stores selling it. You see Amazon, you see Etsy here. Someone is dropshipping here. That's so crazy. Someone is dropshipping stuff on Etsy from AliExpress. But I get it. So that's something you can do. So when you're going to research it, then you're going to get it Deezers or some other app like CJ Dropshipping, and you can get it from AliExpress to your customers. My recommendation, another one, is that what you can do is you want to buy it by yourself. Let's say you're going to find 5-7 products that you want to focus on the esoteric community and target it on YouTube and on Facebook and TikTok, and you're going to record videos about those. So that's something you can do, and that's what I think is a much better strategy, because Shophunter can be beneficial, but when you come here to pricing on a monthly basis, you're going to $50 a month. If you're starting out, and I don't know what is your budget, do you really need it? When like you don't know if even those numbers are legit, and people who commented it that okay, their store, when they tracked it on Shophunter, the numbers were completely wrong. That same thing with the Minia, that same thing with other tools like Koala Inspector. Yes, for tracking the store, what you can do is search the product on Google, open the stores, and have your own common sense and check their socials, how active they are, check their TikTok, and see, and you can analyze it by yourself that, okay, if they're gonna have like a lot of numbers, a lot of views, and you're gonna track it by yourself, you're gonna find it. Not with these tools, because if others are using these tools, therefore they're gonna have access to those same stuff that you have, right? Do you know, okay, I'm just going to tell you a random story. My best affiliate program that I'm earning a lot of money, not a lot of people know. Listen to it. Best affiliate program, not a lot of people know, and I'm not going to even share it with others. There are even people asking me like, oh, the best affiliate program to join, etc. You can't even find it on Google. And that's where you're gonna make money, not what everybody is preaching. In the moment when you see the big YouTubers are telling you about the tool that you should use, it's over. It's like it's going to start to being saturated, because then the big YouTuber is going to get copied by all the other YouTubers, and then the tool is completely done. Or from like the strategy on how to make money. So that's like my thoughts on it, and if you should use the Shophunter, and if it's actually good. Because yes, you're gonna have it. Recently added products, to moving stores, dog moving products, all of that. But do you need it? This is the most important question, because right now I shared a much better strategy for you. And there are plenty of dropshipping guys who made a lot of money and they are doing well. So, yep. Thank you very much, guys, and have a great day, and goodbye.